Switching from Xiaomi to a Samsung Galaxy is exciting, but what about your WhatsApp chats? In this video, we'll show you how to transfer WhatsApp from Xiaomi to Samsung safely, keeping all your messages, chats, and media intact. Way 1. Transfer WhatsApp from Xiaomi to Samsung via Social App Transfer all at once. Transferring WhatsApp on Android can be tricky. Social App Transfer simplifies it by moving chats and media smoothly, and even recovering deleted WhatsApp messages and files. Install and open Social App Transfer on your computer, select WhatsApp, then connect both phones via USB and enable USB debugging. Confirm the source and target devices, use Flip if needed, and click Transfer to start. Way 2. Transfer WhatsApp messages from Xiaomi to Samsung via Google account. On Xiaomi, backup WhatsApp to Google Drive. On Samsung, install WhatsApp, log in with the same number, and restore from old phone or Google Drive using the same account. Way 3. Transfer WhatsApp chats from Xiaomi to Samsung via WhatsApp official tool. On Xiaomi, tap WhatsApp settings, chats, transfer chats to Android, start. On Samsung, install WhatsApp, sign in, allow access, scan the QR code, then tap next to finish.